Hey, what's up everybody? My name's Alex and I'm from California Locksmith Company. And today I'm going to show you a how-to video on how to make a key for a Toyota Camry. This method will work for Camrys and any other Toyota really from the year, I believe it's 03 and up to the most current ones. So yeah, hang tight and check it out.
All right, we're going to make this as simple as I can, okay? So here we have a 03 Toyota Camry. So this is very important, okay? These cars sometimes have a lock here in the driver, and they have one on the driver's side. Okay.
You see how there's a keyhole on the driver's side?
The driver's side always has the key code, not the driver's side, the passenger. If you're working with a newer Camry or a newer Toyota, there might be one of these here, but with no keyhole. If that's the case, then your key code is going to be stamped on the driver. Always remember that. If there's a keyhole for the passenger, it's the passenger. If there's none there, but there's one here, it's the driver, okay? Usually on the newer ones. So, very easy. Approach the car, get the car open. There's gonna be a little plug right here. Pop it out. There's a set screw right in there. You turn it out, and you pop this guy right out. Your key code is gonna be stamped. Get some better lighting out here. Your key code is going to be stamped right here. I don't know if you can see that, but it's going to be the digits on the bottom that starts with either a 6 or a 5. It never starts with a letter. It's going to be in the one on the bottom, always. Convert that, and you'll have yourself a key. So now I cut the key from that key code, and let's see if it works. There we go. Here's the ignition. Sorry about that. Here's ignition. There you go. And that's how you create a key. When you're missing the key and there's no key, you get it from the lock over there. It's pretty straightforward. All right, thank you very much, guys.
So there you go, guys. If you did find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe if possible. Also, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll get back at you as soon as I can, really. And also, if you have any ideas of any new content, any specific vehicle that you want me to make a key for and show you guys how to make it, please leave it in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to produce that video for you in the coming weeks. And like I said, thank you very much, and see you guys next time.